Looking to secure your home? Eufy and Reolink are two powerhouse brands dominating the DIY security camera market. But which one actually keeps you safer? Let's break down the key differences so you can make the right choice. Reolink centers on wired infrastructure and professional-grade PoE systems, while Eufy focuses on app-based convenience, AI-enhanced detection, and smart integration with privacy-first storage. Reolink's approach is much better for users with larger properties or businesses that require an extensive camera network with advanced configurations. While Eufy excels in simplicity and privacy, Reolink delivers 4K on different lineups, including models that pan and tilt while holding 4K clarity. Eufy reaches 4K on some models, yet many popular sets cap at 2K. But here's the catch. Reolink's camera offers impressive panoramic views with up to 180-degree field of view for broad coverage. Eufy cameras offer higher camera resolution options in their battery-powered lineup and advanced features like face and human detection with IP67 waterproof enclosures. Eufy's Bionic Mind AI can recognize faces, detect packages, and track pets and vehicles, offering a higher level of security than Reolink. Cameras like Eufy Floodlight Cam E340 deliver stunning detail with dual-lens technology. Reolink adds onboard AI that spots people, cars, and often animals, with a 2024 firmware upgrade introducing privacy masks. Reolink offers much more versatility with models providing multiple choices, including batteries, solar panels, or PoE for continuous power. Eufy offers efficient solar power with models that can maintain battery life with minimal need for sunlight. Eufy is practically made for renters or anyone after a plug-and-play experience with battery-powered cameras that mount easily. Reolink's entire feature set works without any plan, with cloud adding off-site safety for a small fee. Eufy's local storage is free, but cloud backup costs extra at $2.99 per camera or $9.99 for up to 10 cameras monthly. Reolink tends to offer more camera for your dollar, especially in multi-camera kits with NVR. The final verdict? Choose Reolink if you're seeking professional-grade wired setups or panoramic surveillance with robust PoE systems and broader field of view coverage. Pick Eufy if you value privacy, focused features, AI-enhanced detection, and easy installation with no required subscriptions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.